Hi, welcome back to Hungry Forever's kitchen. I am Joan Rajadas and today I'm going to show you how to make village style chicken gravy. To make our special village style chicken gravy, we'll first take half kilo chicken, coconut oil as required, dry red chilies, whole coriander, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt to taste, shallots whole and shallots sliced, grated coconut half cup, tomato sliced 1, curry leaves and coriander leaves as much as you wish, garlic crushed 1 teaspoon, crushed ginger 1 teaspoon, khaskhas half teaspoon. So to start with, we'll be dry roasting the coriander seeds and cumin seeds separately and keeping them aside. Then add just a little bit of coconut oil and fry the dry red chilies. And again the shallots separately. But when you grind, you can grind all these together. So for the purpose of this recipe, we'll call this paste A. Again, we add a little bit of oil and we fry the coconut shavings till brown. Then turn off the heat and add the fennel and khaskhas. Don't fry anymore after this. Grind this separately to a fine paste. And now we'll call this paste B. Then we take a clean kadai or even a cooker and we heat the coconut oil, splutter mustard seeds and curry leaves. We fry the onions, and when frying we add salt and turmeric powder, which will help the onions to stay soft while frying. When they've become golden brown, we fry the tomatoes and then the ginger garlic paste. We add the chicken and saute this well. Now, when the water starts to well up from the chicken, we add the paste A and saute it a bit more. We cook on medium flame covered. Then again we remove the cover, then add paste B and saute it a bit more. Cover the cooker fully and let it cook for 2 whistles. When it's fully cooked through, enjoy this with hot red rice. If you've liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.